First, connect the machine to a 220V power supply and turn on the main switch. The machine will begin heating up. Each of the 3 dough trays has its own temperature indicator, which can be adjusted. The first parameter on the control panel sets the dough thickness. Clicking it allows for adjustment. The second parameter adjusts the number of rotations of the dough tray, which can be adjusted according to the desired dough diameter. The first parameter on the second row is the batter injection time, which adjusts the amount of batter injected. The last parameter is the batter spreading delay, which refers to the cooking time. Before starting, you can activate the batter pump to allow a short flow of batter through the pipes to prevent the batter from flowing out too slowly during operation.